He was screaming. I heard him last night. It was dark then. So I think he stayed around because of,
He has the fleas.
he probably does. He's dirty as heck. My hand was black.
Is he friendly?
Well, he was scared. It took a while to coax him in.
Look, he's
Hi,
happy.
honey. But then
Did you feed him?
he had pate, some of the fish. He had some chicken too.
Did he eat?
Yeah, he ate some, but he was mostly cold and just so scared. But when I picked him up, grabbed him in the corner there, he just stayed in where it was, my arms were so warm. He was Where did this little baby
You
come
have to put him here.
Let me see if you got fleas.
He has? Oh yeah. This flea?
No, that was grass. Where are you going?
Do you want to be here?
Where are you going? You're
Yeah.
going to fall if you go any
No,
farther.
she not.
Hi, little baby. You're going to fall. Where are you going? Where are you? Where are you going, baby? Oh, scared you.
Yeah, she was doing all the day.
Merping?
Maybe she need warm medicine.
Yeah, we'll start her on that tonight. Hi.
Should give her nutrition.
I guess.
Mm-hmm. To give her a bath?
Not yet, but I'm gonna. What's here? Lay here.
Well, me and
Dog
are gonna run. Of course you're gonna run.
Okay.
No.
Look at how
like my
long
dad.
these are. Just like this kitty. They must
I
be
think-
brother and sister.
Yeah. The father.
This one is definitely younger than them. Oh, you and my shoes. Why did you do that to me?
It's butt dirty.
Mm-hmm.